Welcome to a new video where we explore the power of Copilot's chat history on Android. So here we are in the Copilot application. Now, small disclaimer here, I am subscribed to Pro, so your results might look a bit different if you're not. So first, to access your chat history, we're going to swipe to the right, and that's going to show a side panel. So this displays a list of all your conversations, making it easy to revisit and pick up where you left off. Now, these conversations are also valuable because important details are saved, and what that means is Copilot can easily recall them for you later. The reason this is helpful is because if you're anything like me, before this I was creating random conversations or discussing multiple topics in a single thread or a conversation, if you will, which might not be the most efficient way to use Copilot. So starting a new chat, it's as easy as a tap, and you can name it in seconds so it stays organized. So to do this, in the top right hand corner, we're going to have an icon. It looks like a pencil with a box, and we're going to tap on it. Again, we can easily name this conversation, which I'm submitting a request for. It states, please name this conversation Copilot test, and then we could submit the request. And we get a confirmation from Copilot, done. We'll call this one Copilot test. If this is part of a bigger experiment or you're just seeing what I can do, I'm all in. Want to keep testing the limits or explore something new while we're at it? This is what I really like about Copilot. It's fun, but it's also a way to boost your productivity. Now we can verify that this conversation was saved. Again, we're going to swipe to the right to open that conversations panel. And you can see that we have the newest conversation here, and we submitted that request for it to be renamed Copilot Test Conversation, which it was. Now, there are a few other features I'd like to talk about here. So again, we're going to focus on the new conversation we created. And you can see within this pill, I guess you would call it, we have 3 dots to the far right for that conversation. We're going to tap on it, and it'll pull up a pop-up menu here where we have the option to rename the conversation. That could be helpful if you are continuing the conversation and maybe it evolves into a different topic. You could share the conversation or you can delete it. So that's a wrap for turning Copilot for Android into your personal productivity sidekick. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give that like button some love, subscribe for more digital wizardry, and hey, drop a comment if you've discovered a Copilot trick I didn't cover. Until next time, keep swiping, keep naming, and keep working smarter. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon, check in out.
You